So you probably heard before of all this app doing content trigger word, DM reply, etc. Well, everything is now available in Mydrop as well. So you can create a new rule, so they are called rules here, and then you can set a whole bunch of things inside. First, you can give it a name. Then you can create, you can choose on what specific profiles that rule is going to be applied on. So is it going to be on all profiles, in which case just leave it empty, or just on specific ones? Then you can set if it triggers on all types of messages, if it's especially comments or DMs or everything. And then you can also set keywords with a match mode, contains any, contains all, exact match. And you can give the list of keywords here, separated with a comma like that. So for example, if you want people to comment newsletter and they will receive your newsletter, you just add it like this. That's it. Or you can also exclude some keywords. And then you can choose the action on what's going to happen once that rule is triggered. You can assign a team member, so he will be in charge of replying to it. You can send a notification, you can add a tag, or you can reply to it. And then again, you have many options here. It can be a fixed reply, so like always the same text, or it can be AI reply. So you give it a prompt, like a reply to that comment, using this and this offer, and it will create the reply based on it. Then you have the reply mode. Is it draft only, or is it full auto, and it will be published? And you can also add a cooldown to make sure that it's not replied instantly, to not look like a robot, but you can add a cooldown of a few hours, like 5 hours, and then the reply will be published. And then the rule, every time you have a rule execution, you will receive a notification about it. Hey, that rule just triggered, and you will see the history here of all the executions. You can see that the AI prepared the draft here, and once the draft is created, you can click send directly, or you can open it in the thread, and reply yourself. So that's it for the auto reply. Now let's head to the next feature, the team conversations.